This Coldwell Banker Wallace property video is presented by Brian Schaffer. Beautifully designed and well-maintained Pryse Farm is a maintenance-free community with lots of amenities to enjoy. This 3-bedroom, 3-bath unit has all the conveniences, beautiful hardwood floors and many additional upgrades throughout. Vaulted ceilings allow the family room to feel open, spacious and bright. Lots of extra storage in the laundry room and an oversized pantry. The primary bathroom has double vanities and tiled walk-in shower. The sunroom has windows galore, custom plantation shutters with lots of space facing the beautiful country setting. The patio area allows you to sit back and relax, drink your coffee and admire the lush landscape. Also, enjoy other community amenities such as walking and biking trails, community pool, workout room and clubhouse. For more information, review the details below or contact Brian Schaffer at 865-342-4200.